Hey guys, this is a little bit of everything. In this video, I am going to show you how to assign samples to pads, keys in Ableton, and I am using the Akai MPK mini, as always. I'm not using that big thing back there. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, we are here in Ableton. We've got our Akai MPK mini over there. So let's start by clicking over here on drums and going to drum rack and double click on it. I'm just gonna delete this audio right here. As you can see down here, we have our drum rack, and go ahead and hit any key on your Akai MPK mini. And you can see how over down here it lights up when you hit a key. So go and find wherever it lights up, because that'll just give you a reference point for what these are triggering. So think of your drum pads as the same as keys, because basically they're all MIDI, just these look different. That's really what it is. So to get some sounds onto your Akai, all you do is, so this pad lights up G#1, so we know if we want to put, say, let's do an 808. So go into drum hits or wherever your samples are and find a 808, a nice one. I like Alright, let's use this kick. So put that kick wherever you want it. So in my case it's here. So now if you see when we click our G#1, the kick goes through. I actually don't like this kick, so I'm just gonna put one you can hear better. So, but nothing else triggers a MIDI note or a sample or whatever you're playing. So to get that correct, say we want to put a hi-hat right on here, so you can see that triggers A1. So you're gonna go find your hi-hat sample. I like this one. Oops, if that ever happens, hit Control-Z, it'll bring your drum rack back. So drag that onto A1. So now you can see we have a kick and a hi-hat. So pretty cool, right? Now let's do one last thing just for the sake of this demonstration. Oh, I like this one. Alright, we'll put this, we'll just put it on C2, because you know that this pad triggers C2. So now all you do is just play. And you could basically put any sample you want onto this drum rack tool. Now this comes with Ableton, so it's pretty useful. This is what you would use if you had any sort of something that you'd want to sample. So say I wanted to put something on the key. This one triggers, find where it lights up, C3. So put whatever instrument you want. I'll just use a shaker. Put that onto C3. So now you can be like, I mean, that wouldn't be the most efficient way to do it, but just for demonstration, you could put anything on any keys with this tool, so that's pretty cool.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's pretty much it. It's super simple, really fun to play with once you're done. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.